Now it's time to find out how to write inside a file. To write to an existing file, you must add a parameter to the open function. There are two modes that we use for this purpose. The first one is A. It will append to the end of the file. The second mode is called W. It will overwrite any existing content also. Let's create a new file and we will call it main. And we use the write function to write the text inside the file after we create it. At first, we created a file called main, as you can see, and we used the mode called A. And then the write function is to write the text you see inside the file. Another file is created, and we are writing to its string, and we closed the file after that. And in order to read the text which we created and written inside the main.txt file, you can use the read function for that purpose, just like what we are gonna do. As you can see, in this case we used the R mode to read the file that we created and wrote the text inside it. Also, if you just want to create a file, you can use one of three modes. To create a new file in Python programming language, you can use the open method with one of the following parameters. You can use the X mode or the A mode or the W mode. Let's see that in action. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.